Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your jeans or any garment using your sewing machine so the repair is strong and long-lasting. If you love simple sewing tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for more sewing ideas and tutorials. Now, let's fix that hole in your favorite jeans. These are the tools you'll need: fabric scissors, denim or heavy-duty needle, scrap denim or fusible interfacing, matching or coordinating thread, clips or pins, basting spray, a sewing machine, and an iron. Turn your jeans inside out and trim any loose threads. Be careful not to cut into the fabric. Next, grab a piece of scrap denim or fusible interfacing and cut it large enough to fully cover the hole. This will give your stitches something strong to grab onto. When pinning, place a patch right side down and lay it flat over the hole. Make sure there are no puckers. Then, pin it in place. If you're using basting spray, this is my favorite method because I don't get poked by pins. Lightly spray the jeans and place a patch over the hole, again making sure everything stays smooth and flat. Now, thread your machine. If you're not sure how, I have a previous video that walks you through it step by step. Since denim is thick, use a denim needle or heavy-duty needle. A straight stitch will work, but a zigzag stitch adds flexibility. Lower your presser foot and start stitching just before the hole. With the right side of the garment facing up, position the fabric so that the hole is directly under the needle. Make sure the needle starts right on top of the hole. Sew back and forth across the hole, slightly overlapping each pass. Go slow. Think of it like weaving new stitches into the old fabric to rebuild it. Once the hole is covered, sew around the edges to lock everything in, backstitch to secure it. And there you have it. The hole has disappeared, just like magic. Trim any extra threads, give it a quick press, and you're all done. If this helped you out, help me out with a like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you would like to see a hand-sewn version